Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Tesla Model Y charger. Safely disconnecting your charging cable is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the correct steps to prevent any damage to your vehicle or the charging equipment. We'll cover the 3 primary methods for releasing the charging cable from your Model Y's charge port, ensuring a smooth and secure disconnection every time you charge. Let's get started with the most common approach. The easiest way to remove your charger is by using the button directly on the charging handle itself. Simply press and hold this small button, usually found on the top of the handle, for approximately 1 to 2 seconds. You'll feel a slight click as the internal latch releases. Once you hear or feel that, gently pull the charging cable straight out from your Model Y's charge port. It should slide out smoothly without any resistance. Another convenient method involves using your Tesla's large central touchscreen. From the main display, navigate to the charging section. Here, you will find an option labeled Unlock Charge Port. Simply tap this button on the screen, and the vehicle will release the charging cable's latch. After the latch disengages, you can then carefully and easily pull the charging cable straight out from your Model Y's charge port. It's a great alternative if the handle button isn't convenient. Finally, for ultimate convenience, you can use the Tesla Mobile application on your smartphone. Open the app and navigate to the charging section, which typically shows your vehicle's current charge status. Within this section, you'll find a clear button labeled Unlock Charge Port. Tapping this button will remotely release the charging cable's latch from your Model Y. Once unlocked, you can then proceed to gently remove the cable from the vehicle's port. This is perfect for when you're approaching your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.